Okay, thank you all for joining this Nearpod session. I'm really excited to be using this today because this is my first time using it. So today we're going to be talking about the end of the Great Depression and the beginning of World War II. So I am hoping that by the end of this, you will be able to tell your partner two possible ways the Great Depression ended. So the objective of this lesson today is that we are going to be learning how the Great Depression ended and also some of the results of that. So here's a quiz. I want you to take the quiz really quick. Okay, this was just a quick review of what we talked about last time. Are you seeing that on your screen? Yeah, so it looks like about half of you got the answers correct and the other half didn't. So we are going to review a couple of those things. So the first question said, okay, and here I would review it, but for the sake of time, I'm going to move on. Okay, here is just a quick sway or a bunch of cards that I want you to go through really quickly and just to review the Great Depression. So we would go through these dates. We'd be able to look at these important names and people. And then we'd be able to see some of the effects of the Great Depression. So today we're going to be talking about the New Deal, what laws were set in place, we'll be learning about how Congress passed the Social Security Act, and we'll be learning more about how people were employed. So how did it end? There were two ideas about how it ended. One was that Franklin D. Roosevelt put the new legislation called the New Deal into place. And the second one was that America entered World War II and it created more jobs because people needed machines for war. So the first one was the New Deal. There were two parts to the New Deal. The first part was to fix the banking problem. So it created more stability so that people felt that they could have more protection when they put their money into banks. And the second part created more jobs for the unemployed and also created Social Security for the elderly. Can you see a video? Can you press play? Oh, okay. So for the sake of time, we're not going to go through all of this. I'm just going to go past this video. So in World War II, there were a lot of hardships that happened during the Depression, and this caused a lot of extreme political movements. For example, Adolf Hitler and his Nazi regime, caused the World War II to break out in Europe. And so, although America stayed neutral during the beginning of World War II, they wanted to build up their military in the United States. So this created a lot of jobs for people to do. But although unemployment went down during World War II, this was mostly due to the fact that soldiers were being shipped overseas. And although America was exporting and importing products, this didn't increase the standard of living. So I have a question for you. Although America was importing and exporting more products, thus increasing the amount of money in the U.S., why did this not affect the standard of living? What do you think? I just want you to type in an answer. Did you submit your answer? Oh, because of inflation. Oh, this is a really great comment. Would you like to share more on that? And at this point, we'd be able to have some feedback and talking about this, and also talk about how just because people are making more products for the war, those products weren't being used for Americans. They were being used for the Americans that were on other soil or in other countries. So therefore, it wasn't necessarily increasing their standard of living. Okay, so based on these two ideas that we talked about today, what do you think ended the Great Depression? Take a moment to click your answer. Did you pick one? Oh. It looks like one person picked A. What showed up on your screen? Looks like 100% of the class picked A. That you think that it was the New Deal that fixed it. And then we would have a discussion about why it would be the New Deal versus the Great Depression. So now I would like you to draw one thing that you learned today. Did you submit it? Oh, it just is popping up now. You learned about war, and I see that you drew a gun here. That's very impressive. So here I am showing Bob's drawing that he put in, and he chose to draw a gun. I think that was to symbolize World War II. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. That was excellent. Okay, what are you seeing on your screen? You're drawing. Wonderful. Okay. So today we learned about World War II and the end of the Great Depression.